Okay, we're good. Live stream. Yep, everything looks good. Make it public. Sweet. Okay, we are live. Welcome everyone. Welcome peeps. Okay, let me just swap to live chat. Sweet. Alright, today I'm wearing a nice shirt, but also, yesterday we got this road generator working and it looks super clean. Boom. Generates this road. Today we're gonna get some things moving through the road, and that should be extremely hype. Also, we can harvest resources, so that's pretty cool. I don't know how long it'll take people to get in. It's a little bit earlier today. Started a little earlier than what we usually do. We have some water already prepped. We got the lounge jazz already prepped, but we're gonna have to swap it halfway through because it's only an hour and a half long. But we're good. Okay, let's go ahead and get some enemies set up. I'm just gonna make them a cube for now. Doesn't even need to be special. Little cube. To just give it enemy material as well. Tune. Red. I spent a very long time. I need to actually finish editing my one of my streams, because I'm trying to do a stream a day, editing it down. You know, it's like two and a half hours per stream, so editing it down's a bit hard, but it works. It's fine. No, let's actually give it like a green. It's gonna be like a slime. What could be. So if we give it like green and then like black eyes, it'd be kind of cool. I think we'll just do green for now. Prefabs, enemy. Boom. Okay, so, I mean, an enemy, like, should just have, like, super basic movement, right? So if we just give it, like, the enemy script. Because at the core of it, all we needed to do is move. So we just need to give it a bunch of points to move between. And health. And probably a name. And we're good. Public string. Name. Public int. Health. Public view string. There we go. Yeah, speed. And speed and time. Give it 100 health just as a default. And a speed, which we'll just do 1 for now. And we'll just give a bunch of transforms for the move points. And an integer called current move point. Alright, so we just need to figure out the move points, add them in, but we'll get all this code working first for the enemy. We can actually do a little bit of testing in another scene. New scene. Save this. Welcome. In scenes. We're getting enemies to move today. The 4th stream and we're finally getting enemies. So that'll be pretty cool. Enemy. Move points, 0 points. There we go. That's all that the assigned points should be. Which means these can actually be private, so that's really nice. And you know what? Let's just serialize them though. I don't really know how we're going to do the vector 3 dot distance. That's the only problem. So I don't want to be calling distance every frame. It can be inefficient for now, and then we can just... Vector 3 dot distance between transform dot position and move points of position of current move point is less than or equal to 0.1. Wait a minute. Dot position. Then we can current move point plus. Hey man, how's it going? We can move. Move towards, move points. Oh, current point. Time dot delta time multiplied by speed. Oh, why am I plugging in transforms? Should be vector 3s. Nice. Okay, so if we give it like a few points, right? So move point 0, dead 0, 0, and then move point 1, we'll just set it like 10 away, and then move point 2, we'll set it 10 away again. What are you working on now? We're doing enemies. So we're getting this little guy to move. And to be fair, I think I've already got the code working. Let's just increase the speed. Goes to 10, then it should go... Yeah, nice. Alright, and we can actually just set transform dot position is equal to that first. So, yeah? I mean, that works. I think that worked. So that's kind of a dub. Hey man, how's it going? So yeah, all we need to do is make sure that move points is more than if move points more than or equal to current move point. Are you good? Me? Yeah, I'm good. I'm doing pretty good. I'm just doing enemies. Wait a minute. Oh. Wrong one, wrong one. Having a jolly old day. Waiting for a job interview today. And I'm going in for a trial shift. Nice, that works. Going in for a trial shift next Thursday, so that's pretty cool. When can I play this game? I don't know, eh? We'll see about that. We'll see when we can play it. Because, I mean, hopefully in the next week or so. Where at? Just a bar restaurant. Daddy moves towards it. Oh, we can just clamp this actually. FF.clamp. Current point 0. Wait, CTN, are you our lord? Current move point 0 and move points dot length -1. Never mind. It's a guy I play with. Wait, CTN. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I know who you are now. Yeah, I don't know when you'll be able to play the game. That should. Yep. Okay. I went back. Oh, because I added another one. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, well, we just need to assign some, Oh, if you think that looks good, hold on. The roads are generating now, so it looks really nice. Got some roads generating around, so enemies are gonna be spawning in now. So, I mean, we can grab the enemy spawner. Basically, we need to call the, make sure this is ready. Public void generates. Or... no, there we go. Public enumerator. Okay, all we need to do is when we're generating the world, which should be in here. Back later, gotta watch YouTube. Gotta watch YouTube is an addiction. you can't do anything else. Fair enough. Well, the enemy spawner, I mean, it can be a static instance as well. Wake. So let's do this. Nice. Oh. It's my bad. Go routine. Last stream was crazy. I don't know what happened with that. But I don't know. Don't think one's like stream like that's gonna happen again for quite some time. Because that was extremely hectic, especially at like 2-hour marks. We had like 12 people watching. It was insane. Alright, generate. And inside generate after the roads are finished. Yeah, let's transform list or big E list. What we're doing is we're getting a bunch of points that the enemies can use to move between, and then we'll move between them. You know a decent drawing app? Like, I mean, if it's pixel art, you'd use Aseprite. But, I mean... I actually don't know. I don't do 2D drawings. Cause I don't have a graphics pad or anything, but paint's fine. Like, I think. But I'm not probably the person to ask. So I don't do 2D drawings, really. Unless it's... I just basically just Blender, to be fair. Well, you can, you're trying to redo all your icons. Do it in Blender, dude. Learn some Blender and do it. Because you can probably render them as 3D, and you can just... There's tools online to just convert a PNG or a JPEG into ICO file. Okay. Whenever we change direction, we just log the position that we're at. Okay, that's fine. Then we literally should just be able to go enemy move points. Right. My concept visual? What do you mean concept visual? I mean, this is what we've got so far. You can like harvest, and then enemies will go through. We're working on the enemy movement right now. Yeah, I'm not working off anything. The other day I just had this thought of the idea for this game in the shower. I started just making it. So, if you have any ideas for it, yeah, chuck them down, because I mean, I'm just kind of doing this completely off the top of my head. So if you've thought of something that you think could work in the game, go ahead and put it in. 'Cause, any help is much appreciated. We actually have to convert the... Oh no, we have the index. Okay, we can just get the files, the index. What are you making your towels? I don't know what I'm making my towel, like what the towels are gonna be. I'm just... Electric attack tower, that'd be kind of cool. Like, zaps between multiple. Out of wooden rocks. They're like the original ones. So I was gonna do like archer towers and stuff. I think I'm still gonna do stone, lumber, and iron as like the 3 main resources. But then we can add other ones as well. Like we could do copper or something for like more advanced stuff. Okay, so we add the enemy move points, and then at the end here, at the end, complete end of the generate method, we can call enemy spawner dot instance dot init, and inside the init we actually need a public Use nav mesh. That's probably a little bit too complicated, considering. So the only reason. Hold on. I'll show y'all something in a second. So yeah, so that's probably a little bit too complicated for what we actually need. All we need to do is whenever we rotate or whenever we change direction, we just need to log that position and then add it to a list, which I'm actually storing here, which is enemy move points. .to array. Because all that's happening is when this generates, right? We're gonna get a null reference exception, I think. Never mind. Use ChatGPT for that. Time will be reduced in the future. I'm not using ChatGPT. It most of the time screws up. Prefer to code it myself. Seems more, I don't know, seems more natural. Especially when you're working in a big project, it tends to do things super inefficiently. For real, AI is not reliable. Public game object. Enemy prefab. Yeah, I just like doing everything myself. I'm efficient at it as well. I'm fine with doing it. Let's for now create how many enemies, like we'll spawn like 100, but we'll spawn them like incrementally. So yield, return, new, wait for seconds. Like wait like 0.5 seconds between each one, and then we'll game objects. Starchy A, enemy prefab, at points of 0. Object, component, enemy. Once I was barely visible. Like none of that's permanent. It's like all gonna be changed basically. That's all placeholder for now. Are you talking about the ones in the top right and top left? I'm assuming. Or are you talking about this? I can increase this if you guys want to. Object, enemy. Oh no, the code. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I'll just increase it too. There you go. Should be a little easier to see now. Got assign points. And just chuck in the points. I think that's it. That's crazy. Wait. Let's see if it works. Okay. Oh, no enemy variables. Nice. And yeah, that is enemy. Alright guys, let's see if this works. Oh, we get a cool one! Okay. I think it works, guys. Wait, it doesn't work. It's doing the... Oh, I see. Okay, we need to give it the start and end point, which is easy actually. We can simply do that in generate. When we generate this initial one, we need to set enemy move points. Oh yeah. That's expected. at the first point, which we can convert our start tile pods. What we need to do is we need to go tiles of index, but we do not have the index first. Yeah, we don't have the index first, so basically we need to get the index. So start tile pods, dot, wait, no. It's, convert, right. Convert, back to the index. Are we converting the start tile pods? Okay. Dot. Wait a minute. To add tiles. Oh right, dot transform, dot position, or dot. God, I'm all over the place today. Haven't done coding yet today, so front tile dot target. Now, I have a weird suspicion that if as soon as we spread apart our map, it's actually just gonna break all our code. So I'll make it that you can only spread apart in between rounds. Okay. They're going from the start now. If I do that, it doesn't break because if I do that, it goes back to normal. But they're going to there. That's odd. Okay, let's make the enemy a little smaller. But 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. It is randomly generated. Got a small one this time. It goes there, okay. Now we just need to give it the end position. And that should be as easy as whenever this says finished, we can actually add it. Like so. Nice. Yeah, so we wrote the path code yesterday. So the path code is generated in this while loop. Pretty actually like with random use procedure. Yeah. Hey, look, it's working. They spawn. They go to their path. That's so cool, man. That's awesome. I love coding. Let's give them a huge map. Let's give them a massive map to play with. I think like 25 by 25. It's gonna take a while to generate, boys. Nah, I'll speed it up. There we go. Got a small one again, ending up there. Wait, and the path code needs a little tweaking, but that's all good. No. Path could be big, but it's choosing to rotate. For a bigger map, really what we'd want to do is make it so the path has more time to turn. Yeah, see, path can be bigger. Really what it should be is length. See this this number here, sorry, this length more than 2. We can call this the threshold length. We can set it equal to the world size dot x, or sorry, dot y divided by a certain number, so maybe 3. So instead of this, we can set it that as the threshold length. Oh, because that's a... That actually just needs to be a float. So now if it's a bigger world size, so 25 divided by 3 is what, roughly 9-ish? 8-ish? Yep, so now we get a bigger path. Nice. I have not. I'm not a massive fan of game jams. It just made the same path. That's actually insane. Instead of 3, I might do 4. Can you make the path a minimum length depending on the map size? Well, that's what I'm trying to do, but I'm not trying to do it directly, because if I just set it as a minimum size, then it'll just stop halfway through. What does MNT mean? This moment? It is held this moment. You will get a shout out on your YouTube channel. What do you mean MNT? This month? If I'm not busy, I'm starting school this month. Starting media design school. So this is kind of cool to watch, actually. They're like little worker minions going to their jobs. That's kind of cool. Starting game development school, so I don't know if I'll be able to, but also a shout out by who? Like Brackies doesn't upload anymore. Hey Danask, how's it going? Hey, interesting one. Look at that, they going, dude, they going. Let's increase the speed of the new ones. Yeah, I'm doing good. Oh. Okay, so I guess we need towels to kill them now. That's so cool. It's looking good. It's gonna spawn 100 of them. But the only problem is when I do that, it breaks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it that you can't split it apart when you're when it's like playing. Hey, you just did 100 of them. Oh, yeah, we might need batching. Does it still wrap around weirdly, like the road? Can I get your random gen code? What, of this? If you want my code, you have to watch the streams. I'd do it. No, I mean, it works perfectly now. What we did, it's actually kind of interesting. We took the world size and divided it, and we used that to, who's Chungus Panda? How's it going? Use my name. How's it going, Chungus Panda? It has been looking good. Scott? Hey, Scotty. How's it going? But yeah, we basically take the world size of divided by 4 and use that as the minimum path length before it can change direction. Which means that it won't do something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, it won't do something very small. It will go a minimum of a quarter of the length of this before it rotates. Before it changes direction. So, what's that? If this is 25, it will do like roughly 5 or 6. So yeah, how do I... Oh, enable GPU instancing. This will probably help performance a absolute shit ton. Will you add enemies on today's stream? I'll try. I mean, those enemies, those are technically enemies working. All we need, they've got health and everything. So, Oh wow, has that... I mean, that's not really done much, to be fair. A lot's been saved by batching, though. I will say that. Yes. I just don't think the stuff... Use stats. You mean like the analysis, the profiling? Figure out what's going on. It's all rendering objects. Yeah. Others. A shitload of it's others. That could actually mean that when you play it in an application, it'll run way better in the game window. Yeah, stats is right here. You've got 34,000 saved by batching, which is actually insane. Oh, fuck. My bad. Hold on. There you go. I keep forgetting that these are face cam. Also, 4K, so... Never mind, it doesn't even change it. I know, 25,000 batches is crazy. I don't know what it is. It's not good. I don't know, man. Like, I put on, like, GPU instancing for batches and, like, it doesn't even fix it. Like, I don't... All the separate objects, probably. You reckon? I mean... What am I supposed to do, though? Oh, on each tile. Yeah. Maybe I should do them in Blender. Yeah. That's just a whole ton of extra model data, which is the only thing. You know what? Wait. There was this asset. Mesh combiner. Unity. Yeah, mesh.combine meshes. Combine several meshes into this mesh. Combining meshes is useful for performance optimization. Why don't we try that? It's not the AI that's screwing up, because that's fine. Yeah, let's use combined meshes. Let's just do this. One shot, yeah. The thing is, as well, it's just one script. And what we'll do, we'll just get every child object, store all the meshes. I actually need to see how this works. So we have combine instance. Let me see. Okay, combine I. Okay, mesh filters. That's really simple. So all we need is a start method. We'll do it in start, most likely. Which could actually be extremely laggy, I just realized. Oh, we'll give it a go. So, need a private mesh filter. A list of mesh filters. CBF. Plugging in my second monitor, you getting minimized. God dang it. Oh, how dare I get minimized? Alright, we can get all the child objects and then just support an I. I is less than our... Do you have a game dev course like other YouTube game devs? Not really. I have like individual tutorials, or like a series of tutorials for certain things. I don't know. Not that good of a teacher. If someone's like next to me in person, I'm good at teaching, but I don't know, it's just kind of hard. The thing about courses on game dev, personally, I don't like them. I think people will have to learn to learn. They need to learn to learn. You don't learn from a game dev course. You learn from 6 years of making small projects. These are water sims. You mean like liquid simulation? That's kind of a hard topic to go into in game dev. If you wanna watch someone who's done a bunch of done water simulation, Sebastian Lee actually did a really cool series on it. Well, not series, video on it. It's like 50 minutes long, and he implemented something pretty cool. He is a legend. Really cool series and videos he does. Yeah, we just go mesh filter, mesh filters. Add transform get child of I component of mesh filter. Okay, so that should get all the mesh filters. After we have all the mesh filters, combine instance. Interesting. So we make a combine instance. Fine. Is equal to new combine instance. Ah, what the hell? Interesting. Mesh filters. Well, like I'm just doing the documentation, implementation of it. What? They use a while loop. This is what they do instead of a for loop. They use a while loop. Welcome all the new viewers, by the way. Full batches drawn from objects. Yeah, they basically are. Not so good. Clicks and flicks. I'm not gonna use a while loop. I'm sorry, for loops are just so much cleaner. Okay, and then we need to set combine of I. Interesting. Dot mesh. Oh, I see. It's equal to mesh filters of I dot shared mesh. Okay. Then combine. Okay, so combine takes in a transform. Sorry, a mesh, a transform. Huh. And a position. Dot transform. Oh, I do not need to do that. Dot transform. Dot. So I can't see chat right now, by the way. I'm just looking at the documentation. Mesh filters. Provide. Dot game object. Dot set active. No, we just destroy the mesh, right? For more than while. Yup, it's better. Like, wait, yeah, so we don't want to set active, right? We just want to fucking destroy it. Oh, and then mesh. They get a new mesh. Mesh dot combine meshes. Transform dot get component. Oh, mesh filter. Shared mesh is equal to mesh. Okay, and then we can, yeah, we can actually just destroy them, I think. No, we don't. We want to destroy them afterwards. After we create everything, let's destroy them. Just so then... Yep. Destroy. No, we don't destroy the mesh, we just destroy game objects. No more game objects. Are the trees a single mesh in Blender? The tree itself is, but then each individual one is separate. So then we can customize it in Unity. I think for the most part, this is fine. Purely due to the fact that we can... Mesh type of mesh render. Oh, wait, mesh render? We have to set anything with that? No, I think we're good. So if we add a mesh filter and a mesh renderer, the only problem is the material. How do we set the materials? Okay. Let's see how this goes. Alright. Ground tile stone 2. Hey, how's it going, man? Hey, Zaid. Okay, so this should be... I actually don't know which one is stone 2. Because I've renamed them all. I guess we're just gonna have to chuck them on all of them. Assets. This is Chaz, for real. This ain't your parents' place? No! This is my new apartment. Well, new. Been here for like 3 weeks. I'm settling in well. You can see I got my magic cards probably down there and up here. I got like, I'm close to stores that sell Magic the Gathering now, so I've been going there like every few days. It's pretty hype. Yep, my friends in the other room. Oh, yep. It's like 2 weeks still though. Like 1.5 weeks, isn't it, Oliver? Combine meshes. What else we need? Mesh filter. Mesh renderer. What do you, I could just... Mesh filter, mesh renderer. We moved in 15 or 17th. Dang, okay. Yeah, that sounds about right. Buy meshes. Mesh filter, mesh renderer. Wow. You should use a text sheet because there are mostly flat files. What, instead of materials? Oh, you have a really fair point. Just save a bunch of text, yeah, that would work. We can always do that later. 2 weeks. I'm coming up on 2 years. Dang. Yeah, you moved out of home when you were like year 11, eh? Or year... No, year 12. Mid-year 11. Dang. Yo! This is... Yay! Oh, that was a sick road generation. Yo, that was sick. Okay, let's see what happened. On these ones... Ah. Yo, look at them go, dude. They're pathfinding. They're going through all of them. Okay, since this morning? What do you mean this morning? Alright. Alright, it's kind of broken right now because you can't see any of the improvements. But you've been working all day? Nah, past 50 minutes. You watched the VOD? Oh, lol. Dang, viewers are up to 7. Welcome everyone that's new. 7 watching? Yeah. Hope everyone's enjoying the stream. I've been a little bit more quiet, or not as energetic. There won't be any stream tomorrow, sadly. I'm at my brother's house. But, should have one on Sunday. You know, why is this not combining properly? Let's go through it. How many batches? Oh, yeah. Not many. It's definitely the... Look how many batches we're down to. As soon as we take away all the, mesh. So it's definitely the meshes that, screw with it. The only problem is, yeah, we can't see them. Oh yeah, I definitely will. You're getting destroyed, Zed. I'm building a Kaika Wings Fury deck. Base cam. There we go, okay. You should be able to see, wait. Well, there we go. My angel. I've got plenty of angels that you can have. Look how many that saved. Where you studied Unity from? Taught it myself. Basically. Just coded things that I wanted to code. And then it ended up working out pretty good. I just did it for like 4 or 5 years. So it's the trees and rocks. Yep. It's definitely the trees and rocks because each one... Let me see. Each one is 800 vertices. That's quite a lot. Yeah, thanks, man. It's definitely the inside verts, I think. Which is fine. If we combine them all in, it shouldn't actually come out to be that much. Few thousand, million vertices. Decimate. I mean, they're low poly. You can't really decimate it any more than it already is. Like, they're fine for now. They're absolutely fine for now. I know that. Because if we go, I can't do it. Lob. That's true. Dang. Well, I just don't know why it's not combining properly. The combine meshes and... Okay, let's not destroy them and see what happens. Let's just... mesh filters of I dot set active. There we go. How many bird is it when there are trees and shit? We didn't see. It's still not. That's so annoying. I love when the documentation. I feel like my tune's playing in the background just in case it's sick of royalty-free jazz. Where's your... How do I find your stuff? I don't even have you on Discord or anything. Yeah, just send it to me on Steam if you want. Send me like a link to it. I just don't know why it's not showing up. Like, look, 0 vertices. Enemies moving too fast for a tower defense. Yeah, I know, it's a, SoundCloud tracks. What is this one sound like?
Even if I wanted to help.
Hold on. Can I get like a playlist? We'll listen to your music for a bit. I have to continue with Google. Sign it to SoundCloud. Yeah, please. I just really want to get this combine at least working once. I just don't get why it's not working. Oh, that was loud. That's my bad. Okay, I'm gonna quickly get this working. We can swap up the music afterwards. So, we get the mesh filters. Because we can actually do that instead. Okay. Then we go through each mesh filter. We assign the shared mesh, the transform, and then we set it active to false. We then combine the mesh, shared mesh, yeah. And then I hate that, like, the Unity class that they give me doesn't work. Like, sweet. Thanks, man. Sound cool. Set active some particle effect on the enemy path, like traffic signals. It's all testing for now. We're not gonna do anything crazy. It's just taking too much time, Zed, to get it on right now. I'll sort it out later, and then we can do it next stream. We'll listen to some next stream. Draw calls and meshes and materials, multiplied by materials, so make sure that it is one material for all the trees and not a unique one. That's true. What's the next thing you're gonna do? Well, trying to get this combined meshes so we can save some batches, because otherwise this 300 frames goes down to 40. And on a 4070 Ti, that should not be happening. However, I am streaming and recording at the same time. Like, if you see my OBS, I'm recording and streaming at the same time. So, that's probably why. But there's actually just no reason why this shouldn't be working. Because... if we go to a prefab, one of these, the assets as combined meshes. As a... like... wait, what does it mean, none-mesh filter? I see. Because there's nothing on it. Anyone got any ideas? Maybe just choose up CPU usage even when you're not. Wow, okay. Just record and download the VOD. Nah, the VODs are really pixelated. So I just record it. I might just... do I just scrap the whole combined meshes thing? Let me search it up. Combine meshes not work. Tried for a bit. Combine meshes. I'm gonna add a mesh loaded from resources, yeah. Wait, what? Assign the transform matrix, but I have, right? What transform? I have assigned it. Do we just scrap this idea? Combine I.mesh is equal to mesh filters of I.mesh. Okay. Assets. read write enabled is true, so we can read and write them. There's nothing wrong in GPT for counts. I mean, yeah, but we've done exactly what the documentation says. I'm looking at it right now. We've assigned all the stuff. I just don't think it's working. Like, let's use it on a simple object, right? We add a mesh filter, a mesh renderer, and we add the combined meshes. We then create 2 cubes under it. Like so. Right? We click play. And we look at it. That has worked. So I think it's an issue with how many vertices there are. Do we do it in batches of a few then, maybe? I don't know. Why roads over? Oh, that's fine. Again, we can fix it later. But, I mean, that's actually just working fine. Like, they're going to the correct locations. It's fine if roads overlap. Because they'll just go along the same road again. Or, next to it. Combine, meshes, bypass, vertex, limit. 65,000 vertices. That's so cap. Each chunk's very limited, yeah. If you generate a mesh yourself, you can set index 32-bit format. Double in size, but allows you to have a gigantic amount of vertices. Oh! Hold on. Mesh dot index format. This is what someone said, but this doesn't look correct. Yep, I think that's just completely wrong. That's true. Bridges, that could work. I don't even know what I'm doing, man. I'm just gonna... You know, I'm just gonna bin the combined meshes idea. I wanna get some towers set up and working. We can disable the combined meshes for now. We might come back to it later for optimization purposes. Compile errors. Catch you later, Joe. Didn't know you were streaming. Check on the next one. See ya, man. Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. Yep, okay. Well, we're just gonna leave it as it is. And work on some towers. Towers to kill these enemies. Also, let's just put the map size back down to 9. Because if we look at the map size, look at this. It's 300 frames still. It's just the size of the map that's the problem. Also, what was that? Interesting. We'll also slow down the enemies a bit. So we can so we can start shooting them. Okay, so before we actually work on towers to shoot at them, or do we do a build menu first? I mean, I think that's pretty simple. Let's just set up one button which builds the tower, which should be like super duper easy to do. All we need to do here is tile information, button panel. Here we go. On this one, this is the harvest button, and this one is the power, the build. Okay, build manager time. Or do we... Wait. Let's have it on this. Build manager. Or the map generator has everything on it. Let's just do it in this. This might just be the map manager instead. So snap together. We have a public void called place tower. Or place building, actually. On tile. We can set the index of the tile. So if we have the... Each tile. How do we... The vector 2... Vector 2 for the position. Or the... Yeah, tile position. What do the tiles have on them? They have their target position, their move speed, this... Oh, the tile information, this is what we need. Tile information has the name, ID... Okay. We can assign each tile the ID in the map generator, so let's go ahead and do that. Give a stylized move when spawning new tiles. S move. New tiles at start. What do you mean? They've got a cool move. Oh, smoke. Like a puff. A puff in. That'd be kind of cool. We'll like put that on the back burner. We'll put that in the idea hat. Tiles of index. Dot a component. Tile. Wait, what am I doing? I mean, this is fine, actually. Yeah. So we need to destroy. We need to save the ID. And saved ID is equal to tiles of index component tile information. Okay. And then the tile .id or .information tile information is equal to ID, so saved ID. And what? Oh. Okay. We can actually assign this here as well. So we have an integer called I, tiles of I. We can actually go object instead. The ID is equal to I. Okay, so now instead down here we have place building a tile. We have an integer called I, or the ID, and we can simply get the tile of I, right? And we can like change tags and stuff on that. So for now, let's go ahead and get this tile, and under the tags, add some more tags, right? So let's add this test tower for now. So we can actually tile dot for tiles of our ID dot component tiles. Have you done any games before, like complete game or something you can play? Nah, not any free ones. There's the game on Steam called Poly, which I worked on for like 6 months. It's not complete, but I'm working on a few more item icons for that. And that was my first game because I wanted to I wanted to have experience on putting something on Steam. And then yeah, but no, this will be my first like free game that I release. So far, all I've done is very small projects that have stayed on like my computer. That I've been proud with, but not proud enough to release. Tile information dot code free. This game will be free. Everyone's been helping, so might as well. Tags, add. I do need to pay Steam. It's like 160 New Zealand dollars. Test tower, and then we can game objects. Objects equal to. It's like $100 for USD for a license for one game. Yep. Okay, let's spawn a tower. It is a lot for a free game, but that's fine. I don't mind spending that if my community wants to play a game that we've been working on for like 40 hours or long. It'll be longer. It'll be like 100 hours probably on stream. So Steam makes money exactly, and they take a percentage. But you actually get the $100 back if you make over 1,000. So it's not all bad. If you want to make 100% of your profits, basically, you almost certainly need to make your own game development company. You need to publish it. Not $1,000 dollars of revenue. So a free game you'll never get your money back. Because it takes server space for them to hold it on their servers, their download servers. So think of the $100 as an investment, right? Because $100 is actually cheap if you think about if a game is 100 gigabytes and no one downloads it and it sits on their servers for the next 10 years. That is such a waste of time for them. Okay, let's give this a go. So, if I go ahead and place building on tile, integer ID. Okay. And then tile selector, we can public void build on tile. Let's go ahead and integer. No integer. And then the server load 2,000 people down. Exactly. Nothing on save. Yeah, the game nothing, and like you just have to sit there. If you move your mouse, you fail the game. You lose the game. It's kind of cool. It's a cool concept because it, I don't know, it shows that like people will literally play nothing. You mean for this game? Oh, it is a download threshold. Okay. I thought it was a money threshold. on Play Store? Nope. I have no proper games, but I'm excited when I made any games on it. But this might go on Play Store. I don't know. I got a bunch of like cool little mini projects I want to put on Play Store. Cause I mean, the standards for putting on the Play Store is way lower than like Steam. I have no games on itch. I have some like cool multiplayer testings on itch. But that's like it. I don't even know the account that they're on though. Let's go ahead and make a cool little tower. Okay. I know, the Play Store's crazy cheap. Hey, here's what we're gonna do for the test tower, right? It's like boom. And then we go a little guy on each corner. It doesn't have to be good. And then we grab this guy. Make him real flat. And we pull him out. This is our little test tower, and if we want a little bit more, we go, I mean, that's what I was going for. It's a little ranger tower, guys. What do you think? It's kind of cute, and you know what we can do? We make a massive flagpole on it. It's crazy. You can actually do a lot with the default Unity objects. Do I have? However long, man. I'm probably gonna be trying to record it in a week or so. I've got someone. I'm actually not gonna spoil it, but he's doing something really cool. And to do with robotics and Unity. So that's all I'm gonna say. And he's gonna be able to show off whatever he does for it. So that's gonna be really cool. I've already spoiled it. Not really. Didn't say the topic, what exactly he does. Oh, what am I doing? Why am I making a flagpole? This is all we need. Let's go ahead and chuck some, Wait, where's the stone texture? Oh, right there, rock. All I got is a dozen or so unfinished Unity games. Hey, if you've got even one, right? If you've got even one that is interesting, might as well show it off. This is the chance to show it off to an audience of video will probably get 1,000 or so views. So you know, might as well. If you have anything that you think is cool, might as well do it, man. That's what I reckon. That's an interesting looking tower. Oh my god. Okay, test tower. Oh, is the pivot point all the way up there? Okay. Oh, pull it up. Right there. Okay. I mean, that should be the tower's finished technically, though. That should be them working, which is kind of awesome. Crazy how simple that this has been to make. Oh, and then I need to hook up the button. Build button. Let's just create some text. How to adjust pivot. You have to move all the child objects inside of it. Pivot's always 0, 0 on a prefab. So let's go on to this, right? um, test tower, you can see if I put it all to 0. What should people speak? Yeah, so pivot's always here, 0, 0. And then all of these are like, you can't adjust the pivot in Unity. In Blender, you can adjust the pivot. In Unity, you cannot. So if you desperately need to change the pivot on an object, import it into Blender and then change it, and then re-export it. But otherwise, change all the child objects. Okay. Okay. Build. I didn't even give it a thing. Okay. Oh, if we build, are we so is it difficult to good? What do you mean? Where's build? Build on tile. Actually, when we build on tile, we need to remove resource from selected tile. Oh. Right. Interesting. Alright. Build. Yeah, we have a tile. We have a tower. That tower's huge though. So. Oh. Small tower. Get a little bit bigger. I don't know how big we actually want it. Okay. We have these. I actually need to put the camera up a bit. 6. I mean, pivot inside of Unity. Yeah, you can't change the pivot inside Unity. That's what I'm saying. You need, if you want to change the pivot, you need to do it in something like Blender. Hey, these look really cool, guys. I'm really happy with this. Even though it's like it is super duper simple, I'm really enjoying looking at this. Now we just need to make them shoot at enemies. The only problem is I'm pretty sure I can place like a bunch of towers, and if I was to do, I mean yeah, they definitely do, but again this is all testing, right? Okay, time to get them to shoot at enemies. And the question is, how are we doing that? Are we... Vector 3 distance is like awful. Actually, hold on, that's... No, it's not, it's actually fine. Because we don't need to check it every frame. Wait, so with the game thing, do I give you a video? So... Either a few ways. Either we get on a call and I'll ask a few questions about it and stuff, and you can just I can just let you guys, like whoever's showing off, just kind of show it off in their own way. Or if you want to give me files, I can take files and then play your demo or something. Or if you just want to send in a video, that's also possible. But getting an interaction would be better for the video. Yeah, sweet. And I think a big thing about it is it's not a competition of who has the better thing. It's about people wanting to show off work that they've done. Whether it be a building block in their progress to being a game developer, or if it's like a little project that they're working on or something. So yeah, okay, we can't build a tower in the water. That's a little bit weird. Let's fill up the map with builds. Hey. For some reason I can imagine like a YouTuber clickbaiting this. It's like, I found the perfect strategy to beat point and click aim trainers. I reckon you're the type of person who plays Osu. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot what I was saying before. Making Kovacs to promote videos. Hey guys, what do you think? Oh yeah, YouTube is clickbaiting this game, and it's like, I found the most epic strategy to beat Wave 100, and it's just like this. It's like... What do you guys reckon? Okay, the only problem is also boom. What do you guys think? What was the working title? I came up with one really good the other day. Or yes, today actually, this morning. I came up with one really good and I've forgotten it. They're so cool. I love this already. Okay, how are we gonna do this enemy? I mean, okay, enemies have a health, they have move points. That's easy, right? I think all we do is we just give them the enemy tag. Enemy tag. If you guys have ideas for the title of the game, chuck them in. Chuck them in chat. I'm just here to code it. People are here to come up with ideas for it, and if no one comes up with ideas for it, I will. So it's not a not too much of an L. It's a community game. That's what it's always been in my mind. If a bunch of people want like me to add like for the title of the game, the name might be better than comparing distance. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, game name. So, comparing the distance, Vector 3.distance is apparently super duper inefficient. And instead, you use distance squared algorithm. I've used it before, but it's a bit weird. It's less accurate, but that's fine. Let's just make a script called tower. Let me just make other things derived from the script. Attack of the Femboys, yeah. I accidentally just quit out of my stream details. Live control room. Here we go. I'm back. I am back to live chat. You know at least 20 people who'd pay for it if I named it that. Well, I mean, maybe if I add Femboys into it, you know. Kovacs is a better version of those. Okay, not a prototype. How can I send? Have you joined the Discord, by the way? Because that's where I've posted it. You can DM me directly. If you join the Discord, link should be in the description, and just DM the project to me in some way. Public float. We have a float integer for the damage. We have a int for the range. And we have an update method. Public enemy. Current target. How do I check the... Yeah, Okay, physics start... I think check sphere is... You said check sphere, right? Yeah, check sphere. transformed opposition. We have our range. Okay, and we can do layer mask, right? Yeah, we can. Oh, that should probably the enemy. We can do that later. Layer mask, and we can just import the layer mask here. Enemy target mask. Nice. Okay, that's gonna get. Let's check my own game. It's up to 300. Was that 32,000 batches? Yeah, I don't get the whole batch thing. Eh? It's kind of dumb. Hey, how do I get the list of Shakespeare all? No. How do I get a list of colliders that I'm getting? That I'm colliding with? Huh. Get list of colliders. Shakespeare. Oh, actually, I'll just go Shakespeare. Shakespeare documentation. Oh, really? So it says here that it returns a bull. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't return a boolean. Return colliders from Shakespeare. Okay. Yeah, overlap sphere. That is dumb. Very similar spelling and just like it's like the same thing. Happy birthday to you. This is totally the same thing. Alright. More new thing of jazz. Is it going to be a full game or just fun? We will see how we get through it. So far, it's looking like we're probably going to get it to a stage that people can play it. So that'll be cool. I'm actually really looking forward to that. When people can download it. I'll probably put it on Itch first, and then we'll work on a Steam version. I am streaming every single moment of me working on this game, unless I'm working on like very minor tweaks that will be boring on stream. If can't stay for now, but I'll sub. Yeah, have fun. Have a good time, man. We are having fun. Do you guys ever do that thing where like someone says like, what's a good situation? Like he says have fun, and then I say have fun back, but I don't know what he's doing. He could be doing something that's really unfun, you know? It's like, it's kind of, it's like one of those weird social situations, kind of. We're gonna return the closest one. He could be having fun. That is true. How do we return the closest one? I think at that point we do need to. Do you have any other current projects? Not really. I have this one, which is kind of cool. I'll show you this guy. I'll show you this one. It was gonna be a video for YouTube, and then I stopped working on it, so I can show it off. I'm not really working on anything else right now, though. Unless you count playing hundreds of hours of Rust. If we look at the coals and find the closest one, and then because we only need to find... Hold up. Let's make a method for this. Find enemies. We'll find closest enemy. Right? We can actually just chuck all this in. Are you talking about Rust? I am. I'm showing I've been dumping way too many hours into Rust. But anyway, this is what I've been working on as well. Oh! It's like a Snake game. It's a clone of Snake. And you can like change the color palette. that's like not even that good of a project. Hey, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool though. I enjoyed coding this. I coded it in about 3 hours. Anyway, back to tower defense. If I work on that a bit more, I could probably release it. But no, it's just Snake. So okay. Total length. Let's make a float for the distance. If now we have to use vector 3.distance. It's good. Maybe color change when you got a food. I was just doing the color change in case someone wanted to change the color palette. I need to play more Rust. If I go onto my Steam right now, actually I don't want to leak my Steam profile. Yeah, I mean it's public, but still, yeah, if I go onto my Rust, it says I played like 150 hours, I think, in the last 2 weeks. So, that's too much. Let's calculate that. 150 hours past 2 weeks, divided by 14. I have not played BattleBit. Is it good? What is it? In FPS multiplayers? Not really. I prefer... The reason why I like Rust so much is because it's a survival game. It's survival PvP. I should make Rust content. There is a hella grind. That's why I just calculated and didn't talk about it. The fact that I've played on average 10 hours a day for the past 2 weeks. Like, yeah, that's bad. Yeah, I can do multiplayer code. I don't like it though. It's boring. Make a second channel for Rust. I already have my Cup of Joe gaming channel, but I mean I can make Rust content. I'm already I'm already working a lot for this channel, and this channel's getting to a point where it's actually starting to pick up, so I don't want to divert my attention. Oh, let's help someone in the comments on live. When I write out the code, I get an error message saying Raycast hit does not contain a definition for transform. Make some god vids. Yeah, could do. The easiest way I can help that guy. Also, we gained 2 subs this stream. Thank you guys so much. If let's get the distance. Float distance. Vic 3 distance. We are achieving amazing amounts of work in like the 2 hours that we stream a day. Like it's going really well. And I'm surprised. I think what he's doing is this. He goes raycast hit, right? And then he goes hit dot transform. Like that. Whereas transform is the name of the class, whereas what he should be doing is hit dot transform. Like that. Because that's correct syntax. But uppercase T's the class name, as you guys know, so. Big 3 dot distance, transform dot position, and calls of I dot transform dot position. If to float dot distance, there we go. Okay, and then if the distance is less than our closest distance, then we can update our closest distance and our current target. Hey, Danish prison. Yo. Oh, 2 more new subs. 2 more? Oh my god. Yeah, I know. Thank you so much, man. Current target is equal to the new one, so calls I transform opponent enemy. Okay. Well, that's getting the enemy, and that's finding the closest enemy. Now, the only problem is every tower, every frame needs to do vector 3 dot distance on their closest enemy. But every tower is not that bad, and instead we can, if we do it in fixed updates, it's a lot better. From this live, 3 or 4? I think 3 now. Let me see, 3. Go good. I tend to gain about 10 from each video, but the most recent video I've gained a bunch from, because it's gotten, oh my god, it's very high views now. 1.1 thousand. Nah, it seems like live streaming's the easiest way to get subscribers for me. But I'll make videos along with the live stream content. Okay. Boundary Street. Hey Dave, how's it going? So, what we're doing, give me 1 second. You were here yesterday, we worked on roads, right? We got the roads, they work really well now. We got enemies moving along the roads, and we've also got it so we can build towers, in spots. So, what we're doing right now is making it so the towers can shoot at these little guys. And kill them. Is that new intro animation? Oh, the reason why it's so fast is because I have the generate interval set to lower. So if we want it to be smooth, we do that. But yeah, I think 0.05 works really nice. Yeah. But yeah, we're trying to get these towers working, and we're actually really close to getting them working, which is cool. So every fixed update frame, we're gonna check the distance on the current target, and if it's, you know, not equal to anything, then we're gonna have to find the closest enemy. So every frame, if our current target is equal to null, then we can find closest enemy. within range, of course. And if our big 3 distance, because the maps are fairly small, I don't think big 3 distance on all the towers will matter too much, especially because we're not comparing it to all enemies. Because if no enemies are in the area, then we just simply return out of it. So we're not even getting to the distance part. Yep. Current target. Transform position, and our transform position is more than our range, then current target is equal to null. There we go, and this is actually void handle finding targets. We won't do any sort of animation right now of shooting. You leaked your stream in one of the other streams. My Steam. Oh, did I? I mean, you can see it here. Like, this is fine. But it's just if I go onto my profile. I mean, to be fair, if someone wants... I'm just gonna do it. If someone wants to see my Steam profile, yeah, maybe don't look at the comments. But yeah, yeah, this is Steam profile. If anyone wants to friend me, I guess. see how long I've been playing Rust for. I'm not gonna accept random people's friend requests, but Blender was on Steam until I saw my stream. Yeah, I didn't use it on Steam for ages. I probably have like 1,000 hours in Blender off Steam. Off Steam. And we'll find targets. Handle attacking. Also, something really weird, or something kind of interesting that I believe in. It doesn't matter if you can touch type or not. Like, you know, look at your monitor while typing. Like, I look down every once in a while. Everyone has to, surely. It's fine. Just gets annoying when like you're kind of forcing yourself to touch type. Okay, handle attacking, floats. Oh, we need a fire rate. Yay! Fire rate. Float, attack timer. I can't touch type for the life of me. Yeah, some people just can't do it. Like, I have to look down every once in a while to see certain things, but for the most part, I can do it without looking. If attack timer is less than or equal to 0. Touch timing is great until you realize after typing a paragraph you were one character over the key. Exactly! That's what I, like, that's what I hate. That's why I look down to make sure I'm typing the right thing. Otherwise, okay, let me try just put my keyboard all the way down here so I can't see, right? And I'll move away from my keyboard, come back to it without looking. Let me see if I can figure out where everything is. That feels about right for WASD. Attack timer, play Z type. We'll do it in a second. Not touch typing. Okay, I'm still gonna try this. If attack timer is less than 0, then attack timer. Oh, I looked. I can't, dude. Z type. No, you know what's a better one? Monkey type. We're gonna see how fast I can type. Oh! Less people mostly that which just also... Oh! We in person from person during fact. Give, lead, all, need, between. That was not fast. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. Divided by our fire rate. And then we can attack target. Current if our current target. We can actually just go out of it right now. If current target is equal to null, then we return. And we can also return out of the attack target if our target is also equal to null. I'm not even that fast. Like, I thought I was going fast there. That was 60 words per minute. I thought I was going extremely fast there. See, I feel like if it was code, though, like, I could code that in a minute. Not even that. But 23. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, though, right? I messed up a lot there. And I had to backspace a lot. So I think it, like, it's just, like, I'm not necessarily, I'm a fast typer, but I screw up a lot if I go fast. Enemy. Okay, time for a take damage script. Take damage method, sorry. Public void. Integer amount. Health. Minus equals the amount, and then if our health is less than or equal to 0. Then we destroy ourselves. And we can... Is that literally it? Wait a minute, wait. We might have it. Let me see. So, okay, let's go through this whole thing. Fixed update. Handle finding targets. If our distance between our current target is more than our range, then we unassign our target. If our target is equal to null, then we can find a target. Find closest enemy is efficient because we can return out of it if we find no enemies within range. If we do find enemies within range, we find the closest one, assign it. Every frame, we... Oh, handle attacking, there we go, okay. This is what I screwed up. Attack timer, minus equals time.delta time. And when we assign our target, when we assign our closest enemy here, we need to reset our timer. So our attack timer should be equal to 0 because we want it to attack as soon as it finds it. So then it can reset. And then it minuses when it's less than or equal to 0, it resets the attack timer and it attacks it. And it deals damage on the enemy. When it takes damage, minuses amount. If power is less than or equal to 0, destroy. That should work. However, we also need to assign this. So, oh, it's layer masks, not tags. I am dumb. Sorry for that, quick squiz over my code. Making sure it actually did what it would be doing. Okay. Change children, yes. Test tower. But also, actually, we need to remove the box collider off that and chuck it on this. That needs to be 0.2. Kind of glad the stream hasn't been as busy as the other one. The other one was hectic. However, we are doing way cooler stuff this stream. I will say that. Okay, if each finery is 0.5 each, it has a range of 1 and a damage count of, well, I don't actually know, 2 maybe. Let's take 2 tiles. Thanks, man. Really appreciate that compliment. If you guys have any ideas of how I could do things better with the stream, go ahead and uh, chuck it in the chat, because, I don't know, we could always do better, right? Let's do 10 every 0.5, and let's see how that works against them. We're gonna need to, well, actually, hear me out, We make a color, we make public, mesh renderer. Oh, we can't do colors. Wait, no, we can. Okay. Mesh renderer. Right? In our start method. Why don't we have a public color gradient? No. I think it's just gradient. Yep. Grad or health grad. This is just for testing purposes. We can assign our renderer. Oh. No, we need to not assign our renderer, so it could be different. So, renderer dot material is equal to new material, and it needs the shader. Yeah. How do we get the shader? Shader is equal to shader.find. Tune? Okay. Looks like I think this is gonna work, right? We go material, and then we can is equal to new material. Material dot color is equal to health gradient dot evaluate on our health divided by our health. Wait, by 100, which is the max health that we have. So instead, we actually need a public int for max health and our current health. There we go. Okay. Health gradient. So that should be within 0 to 1. So then on our enemy, oh, we also need to assign the material to our renderer. So renderer.material is equal to material. Nice. Okay. Health gradient. It goes from red at 0 and green when we're full. Okay. What? I just dragged in the cube. Type mismatch. No. Wait, what do you mean? Mesh renderer. Okay. Don't know how that works. There we go. Okay. Value cannot be null. What are you on about? Oh, shader didn't find tune. How do we find shaders? Hey, you know what? Let's just go ahead and make a shader for now. This is all test. Give it another go. Okay, well, it seems like they've worked. Build? That might actually be working, I just forgot to do this. We do this in update every time we take damage, actually. Okay. Build. We build. Object reference not set to an instance. So it is happening now. If our current target... Oh, wait. That seems correct. Build. Okay. Interesting. Oh. Why is it not? I got that one up there, okay. Well, maybe we don't do closest target, but the most further along the path. And I don't get how we do that. If they all move at the same speed, then you can do lifetime. Maybe some sort of multiplication of their lifetime and their speed? Or do I store their distance traveled in a variable which is their lifetime multiplied by their speed? That works. Maybe we do that instead, because vector 3.distance is super inefficient. However, it does work with the range. This still works. So the find closest enemy, we need to make sure it's within the range still, which we're doing here, and then we're just gonna call this furthest. Chat's awfully quiet now. Balls of I. Opponent. Enemy. Second tower didn't be. Yeah, I don't know what was happening with that. Hey, Gluten. How's it going? We're doing a little, tower defense game. However, it's not working as expected, so we're just getting it to work as expected. Public float. We have the lifetime, and we have a public float. Oh, we have the speed. Okay. So dot lifetime multiplied by its speed. Basically, what we're doing is we are multiplying its speed by its lifetime to figure out, like, the enemies, to figure out which one is more further along. And then we are simply getting that instead of vector dot position. Otherwise, it's super inefficient, and it wasn't working as expected before. You know me? I don't know. I don't think so. You messaged in chat, so I just said what up. Put that multiplication into the enemy component cleaner. That is true. Public float get distance traveled. And we can simply return our lifetime multiplied by our speed. Keeping it 100. Lifetime multiplied equals... Wait. Lifetime... What am I doing? Currently working on enemy and tower scripts, so then the towers can actually hurt enemies. We're basically trying to figure out which enemy is further along to figure out which enemy the tower wants to target. So what we're doing is this algorithm here, or this little method, a loop, is going to figure out which one is closest. So calls of enemy dot get distance traveled. And there we go, that's going to get the distance. And if the distance is more than our current furthest distance, then we can assign the new target. And we can set the furthest equal to our distance. Alright, let's give that a go. Nope. Screwed up there. And the lifetime increases only when it hasn't moved. If current move point is more than or equal... Yep, okay. How long will we be streaming? We've been going for 2 hours, so... whenever I finish what I'm doing now, and then if we figure out something else to do, I will do that. Right. This doesn't seem to be working. Does it? Like, I don't get it, eh? It's like, it's... Maybe... Oh! See... I don't understand this. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, I don't... Maybe if we pass the health and max health as floats, because currently we're only seeing them as 2 values, whereas a gradient should go as a gradient instead. So we should be able to be seeing yellows and orange and all that. So we're gonna give this a go. Maybe. No. Let's actually check on these enemies. Are they taking damage at all? Enemy. None of them have. Maybe put a toon shader on the tower showing their state as well. What is shooting? Like whenever they shoot. Wait, why don't I just do this? Why don't we go debug.log attack. We're gonna give that a go. Because if the current target's equal to null, then we return. If our current target's equal to null, then we can find our closest enemy. Hate nesting, but it's fine. It's not even attacking. Do you play CS? I do not. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. No, that shouldn't make sense. Can I assign them? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Tower. Enemy. Enemy. Yeah, it should be working. let's go ahead and just... Tower. None. Oh! It's finding the enemies now. Oh my god. Wait. I think we're just being an idiot this whole time. The range needs to be higher. Let's just set it to something like 10, and the fire rate needs to be like 2. Otherwise it's dealing 10 damage every 2 seconds. And they're probably not even within the range in 2 seconds. After 2 seconds. Maybe? Yeah, you will. But it's... You will be able to move around the camera, yeah. Okay, let's check this tower. Test tower. It's... picking them. Which enemy is that targeting? So the problem it's having is it's always picking the last one. Are any of these enemies damaged? Health 20. But that one's already at the end. 20. So, are any of these ones damaged? No one has it. What happens if we do this? Hey! Wait, but now it's not working! What was that? Wait, I'm so confused. It like started working and then it stopped. As soon as it doesn't have another target, it breaks. Like when the enemy is missing. Oh, wait a minute. I think I know what's happening. Missing is not counted as null. No, I am. Missing is not counted as null. That's the problem we're having. So, when we attack a target... Time.delta time. Oh, am I doing time.delta time in fixed update? Oh my god. Oh no. Nope. Yep. You're right. What was I doing time.time for? I've never used that once. I'm an idiot. It's not working. $40. Now is it just missing? No, it assigns new enemies, but it just never attacks them. What is happening? Hold on. There's like no reason why this shouldn't be working, I don't think. I might just be tired, but I'd like to get this working before I end the stream. It just doesn't want to work anymore. Oh, this is annoying the hell out of me. Wait, are some of them off color? No, I'm imagining that. Are any of them damaged? 60. That's that one at the end. This one's at 60 health. It's firing once every 2 seconds. But it's not. I set it to 2 fire rate, which is once every 0.5. Let's say the fire rate, like, insanely high, right? 10. What? Like, what is that? Flying closest to enemy. Furthest is equal to the first one. Right. We find the furthest one along.
Yeah, it's definitely working like usual.
Don't be quiet. Really? Okay. Alright. Let's figure this out. It's definitely on the tower script. And I think it might be this. But then the find closest enemy. Right? Let's debug.log the current target. And it's to make it easier. The enemy spawner. Let's name each enemy. Obj.name. Equal to I. Stream's starting to die off, so we might have to end it at some point soon. I would love to get this working, but there's just no energy in the stream anymore. From me. But we're gonna get this working. We're getting it working. Yo, cool map. Really? What's it returning? Wait a minute. It's returning a shitload now, but they're all the way down there. Oh my god. Yeah, it is. That's why I'm like unable to do anything. If distance is equal to furthest, you increase the range. Yeah, but why isn't it? Okay, if I increase the range. Right, let's put the range back down. Right, let's put it to like 5. Instead, no. Oh, it increased to 1,000. So it should actually just be taking the whole map. That's the weird thing. Like. It's not detecting them at all. Now it's detecting them. I know there's one little thing in my code. I know there is. It's one little thing, we change it, and it's gonna work perfectly. It might be one of those situations that we just recode the whole thing again. The detection. Let's just really simply remove line 86 and 87, they're probably not needed. On what? The enemy? No, it's 86, 87. That's true. Time to come back with a fresh head. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh, I'll be back in a second. Orange. '87, '88. The attack target one. But we want it to. I can give that a go. Let's also delete the debug log. Orange. Okay, so if we're finding the closest enemy, it's not working, right? What if we remove all this fancy attack the first one, and instead we're just gonna get the first one it finds in the overlap sphere? We can just really simply current target, remove all of this fancy junk, right? Should have commented that out, but that's our current target, just to make sure the attacking's working. And all the rest of the code. Build. Okay. Wait, is it just getting the The attacking's working, right? Yeah, because attack target is taking into account the it's taking a handle attacking. It's only doing it when the attack time is less than 0 or equal to 0. Okay. So we know it's doing something. Wait, is it still doing something? Yep. So, it's sort of working, right? Let's increase the fire rate up to 100. It will kill every enemy. Okay, without bugging, it is killing every enemy. It was simply the detection on which one is further. Let's put this back down to 10, and we'll put multiple towers down. Mm-hmm. Hey, look at that. It's kind of working. It's not doing the first ones, but... Ah. Let's do this real quick. Enemy prefabs, and instead of enemy prefab, we go enemy prefabs of ah, man. Oh no, I thought I got the sticker on my. Any game ideas? It's underwater FPS. You have a spear gun, and you need to spear gun sharks that are attacking you while diving for loot. So it's a loot diving game, but you have to protect yourself against underwater creatures. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yes, Subnautica. Okay, so enemy prefabs. Now we can make multiple enemy prefabs. So let's go ahead, add one. Let's go make another one. And this one's gonna be the bigger enemy. It has more health. Yep. But this one has like 500 health. Big boy. He's also 2 times the size. Let's hope I didn't screw up that code. It's not. No, big boy. It's exclusive. My bad. Okay. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy spawner. We need to build towers, guys. Oh. But those big boys are hard to kill. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of, you know, the Roblox tycoons? Like... Oh my god. Hey, we've got a pretty efficient setup here. Why is it the Roblox tycoons and you have like the money that's going past? Oh, we're dealing with them early now. I come back to this, yeah, for real. Hey, we killed all 100 enemies. All right, let's make it harder. Public. Oh, we can probably get an integer for the round number now, and we get an integer for the. Oh, we can figure out the. Yeah, if we have the round number, we can figure out the int enemy count. We can just do some cool like algorithm or cool like math function. It's equal to round multiplied by like 3. 30. The round multiplied by 30. You have in mind? Someone suggested way earlier in the stream that we do a lightning one, which would be kind of cool. A lightning tower, which would be cool. We do a splash tower, maybe. Some sort of... If enemies have add a target switch option. Or that, yep. We'll do some sort of... single target, but like large damage tower. Some enemies will have damage resistances, so you have to figure it out. Enemy count. Flame trap. If you have like a little character that goes around and places traps on the field, that'd be kind of cool. And 0.5, instead of that, we have the float, we have the time delay. We base 0.5, divided that by the round, divided that by 1 plus the rounds, divided by, like, 100. So that's going to get progressively faster as well, so we can wait for the time delay before spawning another one. And that basically means rounds are implemented. So what we can do is public int enemies plus plus. Surely let me make a tile or something that has a 1 and... Go ahead, man. Instead of making a tile, make something that goes on the tile. Like some ruins or some sort of object that you can find in the middle of nowhere. Just, you're on Discord, so... Media share, just chuck it in the media share channel, and I'll chuck it in. That goes for anyone, actually. If you guys want to design some secret tiles that can pop up, go ahead. That was a voice crack, I think, that I had. Attack timer. Alright, what are we doing? So the tower, whenever the enemy dies, which is here, we can go enemy spawner dot instance dot enemies minus. What do you design stuff in? Blender. Oh. Continue watching? It seems you have stopped watching. Yes. Okay, enemy minus, and then all we do is hit update and send a standard tile. You don't design the tile, just make an object to put on it. So what a tile is in here is this. It is a laid cube. Hey, I'll make one real quick. So, to do it in Blender, right? Edge cut. Make 1. Make 2. Right? I do use Blender with Steam, yeah. Make edge cut. If you want to use roughly the color, you go assign. And you can assign a grass texture and go into render view. If you want this one, you assign it a new texture and you make it a brownish color. Assign it this one. And make it a deeper texture, right? This is basically a tile. And whatever you're making is going to go on top of it. Up here. Here. If any of y'all wanna add a tile object to my game, work off this Desktop. In Media Share, you will find a blend file that you can work off. Yep, you should make models for on top, but if you want a reference to use, do it on this. But you don't really need a reference. Gives people a good idea though. Okay, what were we doing? Okay, if our enemy count, enemy, does it have to be PG? Preferably. Like, it could be like slightly not though. Like, you know, just don't make it inappropriate, you know. Because, I mean, to be fair, my YouTube audience is all over 18. No swat. Come on, man. Come on. No swastikas. Yoink. Eight 18 subscribers. Did we gain another 2? 4? As in like a crash plane. Okay, okay. You can do a crashed plane. That'd be cool. If enemies less than or equal to 0 and round spawning is equal to false, then we can round plus plus, and we can wait a minute. Oh yeah, we can init. Okay, that wait, we might literally like have a round system working already, guys. Hold on. Round text display. Not trying to bring anything back. Come on. The Third Reich. None of this Nazi stuff. The enemy spawn mode on stone start round. Go round. There we go. Look at that. No way, this is the same. It's calling you out, dude. Entirely satire. Yep. Five, 155, and then we can just add this. Well, I think it might be time, guys. We've been working on this. Oh wow, it's almost been a 3-hour stream. I actually didn't expect it to be that long. I'm gonna be honest. Have you actually? facade. It's possible. What's this even in the team? Yep. Thanks, man. It's been just give it a few more seconds because we're gonna get round text working, and this is actually gonna be hype because for a very special. Oh wait, index outside of bounds will be right. Nice. Well, we'll get this working first. What? It did it again? No, it shouldn't do that though. Because round spawning is equal to true. What version of Blender are you using? What it is on Steam. Won't open on mine. That's weird. You can't go open project? And started. That's extremely weird. Okay. Enemies are spawning. We need to kill them, guys. Okay, that should probably defend against them. Oh my god. Maybe not. There's a lot. This is actually like prime location. First review from Blender on Steam is they should add achievements. Made first object. That is the yep. We're on round 2 already. What round do you reckon these, what's this, 8 towers, 9 towers, can survive against? What's the highest round? This is really fun to watch. Oh, round 3. Round 3. Cool, there we go. Should be able to see now. Round 10. I don't know if it's increasing at all, eh? Nah, we need to increase the difference more. This one here. So if it's round 10 should spawn 2 times faster. Oh no, this is a bad spawn, guys. This is not gonna go well. Let's chuck down some towers. Uh-oh. Are those? Oh, those are working. Okay. Technically, I could, spawn a bunch on the same tile, but that's cheating. Wonder how I can, it turns out Blender I was using was a couple years old. Which version? Like, what, 2.84 or something? Because we're on 2.9 now.
I'm gonna be honest, guys. This is really cool. Steam Blender is. Really? Dang. Oh, sorry. 3.3.8. Dang, I didn't know it was on 4.0. That's crazy. 3.2. Crazy. Round 4. God, this stream's gonna be a pain in the ass to edit down. We don't even get that much stuff done, to be fair. Like, we just got towers and enemies working. Oh, and enemy movement. And the colors on the enemies. Hey, should the enemy speed probably increase? Object dot transform. Did I? I mean, I feel like I did, but God, you know how I can tell I've been streaming for a while? My hair feels like shit. I had like stuff in it before. Should fire back. Yo, damage the towers. That'd be kind of cool. Got speed. And we can multiply equals to 1 plus our round. What should the way we figure out the enemy speed increase? I mean, it's round. We can just divide around by like 20 or something, so then they do eventually get faster. So they're 2 times faster on round 20. We can do like 15 instead. So it's 1 off. Oh, I don't think I could do these streams if I wasn't listening to jazz, to be fair. Also, that I am not here. You weren't here for 45 minutes. Well, it's all working. Well, it should be. Oh, wow. They're almost at the end, guys. We need to kill them. I mean, there's no health on the player or anything yet, but enemies are working. Towers are working. Why do you shortcuts have to be different? Because they're 2 different applications. I just... But yeah, clicks and flicks, so everything is working. It's probably going to be the end of the stream now. We've got everything working that we want to get working for the day. I won't be streaming tomorrow, but I'll be streaming on Sunday. Or if I take a break on Sunday, it'll be Monday. Visual clue shooting, because we haven't added that in yet. We just got them shooting so far, and then we can add that on Monday. Or Sunday. Whenever we decide. Yeah, off to my brother's. He's, we're gonna hang out, play some Magic, watch some YouTube and stuff. My brother's actually gonna start up a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna help him with that. He's gonna do cocktails. Like, I think like binging with Babish, but like cocktails. So that'll be kind of interesting. He's quite into that kind of stuff. So, yeah. What are you guys, what is everyone else doing for the weekend? If you guys got any plans. How do Magic cards work? Alright. You have a bunch of cards. I have too many, you know, like boxes and boxes of them. But you have a deck of cards and you play them, so they each have, it's like Yu-Gi-Oh! It's like Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon, but like better. It was the original trading card game. It's like my nerdy thing I'd like to do. I mean, okay, software engineering and game development is pretty coding, but
I've only ever seen them on South Park. Is that like the magic cockfights? I remember seeing that episode. That was a pretty funny episode, to be fair. Hey, Clicks and Flicks, you need a game idea as well? Don't sign up to work 7 days a week, it's not fun. For real. Clicks and Flicks, you need a game idea? Okay. It's a getaway driving game. You have to drive away from the cops. Or run away from something. Make a horror game that you have to hide from something. But make the thing that you have to hide from super, Oh! Wait, we're actually losing. Make it super hard to hide from. Kill them. Yeah, I'm gonna need to, like, stack up a bunch of them. Well, I think we survived until round 6 with how many we had. It's getting harder. I have a cop escape kind of car game already. Okay, that's kind of cool. Yeah, make it a horror game then. Make a horror game. You have to escape like a killer, and you have to like hide and all that. Kind of interesting. I don't know, horror games aren't really my type of game, but they're too boring. The only one is like the only one I'd want to play still is Security Breach, even though it's buggy as hell. But I just like FNAF in general. It's been nice just chatting at the end of the stream. We should do this more often because we usually end up just coding for the whole thing and then not catching up or doing anything. So hey Ewan, how's it going, man? I heard you you already moved down. Anyway, well, you know what? Yeah, moving in tomorrow. Me and Kinsey in next door rooms, which is good. Good. It's rough. Yeah, for real. You guys are gonna be a menace. You guys are gonna be. That's gonna make everyone else in the building very depressed. Joking. No, I hope it's really fun. Cause that's cool that you guys are going. Are you're same school, right? I think. I thought. That'll be really hype. Same school, same course, same floor. Oh my god, you guys are gonna get. Like, we are stopping the stream. We're just chatting for a bit because I don't know, never catch up with people, so. But yeah, stream is gonna stop. We got an insane amount of work done on our game today. So thank you guys so much for watching. You all have been legends. Let's check the sub count. 818, which means we gained 4 subs this stream. Yeah. See ya, man. Have a good one. We've gained 4 subs this stream. Bunch of people tuned in to watch. It's been really fun. It's been 3 hours stream. It's like, I think that is literally the longest stream we've ever done, I think, on this channel. I've really enjoyed it. Have a great evening, morning, whenever you guys watch this. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya.